Are you running ads for a business and are overwhelmed with the amount of responses you're getting? Spending hours and hours responding to messages of people who are not even qualified? Then you need to tune in for this one. So hello, my name is Christian Jacko and I'm the owner of Contact Solutions, an agency where we help our clients develop systems to convert more leads passively. In today's video, we'll be diving into a system I'm creating for a client right now, and what I'm doing for them is, simply put, they're running ads on Meta, so Facebook, Meta, and Instagram. They're getting lots of messages from people, and they're spending up to 3 to maybe even 4 hours a day just responding to messages. In this video, I'm going to show you a system which directly responds to any messages, qualifies the leads, gets a specific price point, gets a specific offer, and then schedules an appointment with them automatically. So, from the business owner's perspective, from the business perspective, you just see appointments booked on your calendar, and you just need to show up. So let's dive right in. So this system is composed of 3 tools, mainly 2, actually. Relevance AI and ManyChat. Now, this is very similar to one video I've made in the past about automating Instagram DMs and even automating WhatsApp DMs, although with a couple main differences, which is, for example, the ability to book an appointment directly on someone's calendar. So let's dive first of all into ManyChat. ManyChat is we'll be using to connect the Instagram account, which is what we're going to be automating, to Relevance AI, where the AI responses and, for example, the functions to book an appointment happen. So here in Instagram default reply is a trigger which happens every single time it receives any kind of message. So here, if we can go into this automation, this is a flow. I've made videos, I think 6 videos about at this point. I'm not gonna dive into details here. I'm gonna link a video either here or here where you can see what it does in detail. What you need to remember here is it's sending a message, the message it just received to Relevance AI, waits for a bit, retrieves a response from Relevance AI, sends it to the user. And here, the lower branch is for people who are interacting for the first time, and this is subsequent conversations. So let's go back to Relevance AI where the magic happens. So here I've created a bot, social media replies bot. And here, if you go to edit agent, this is the agent name, agent description, and where the magic happens is in core instructions. This is all of the system prompts for this bot. Now, if you want, you can stop this video at any moment and just look at exactly what's happening here. It's way too much for me to dive into in detail. So or ask me in the comments a specific question about it, I'll respond immediately. Okay. So here we've got this weird looking text, this one, and this one. What is this? Those are tools. In Relevance AI, we can give a AI agent tools which can be functions that I can use for different things. For example, get pit stop knowledge, pit stop being the business's name. This allows us the AI to retrieve all of the information about this business. That includes what they offer, business hours, location. That includes previous conversations which were successful, which did shoot model. That includes testimonials, etc. Here we have then a script with 8 steps. So here you can see every single step detailed step by step. This is to ensure that the AI doesn't derail off track, and so we can actually track what's it doing every single time, and then track how many bookings it gets, and then we can adjust it as we want and see the correct results. Or what happens then, which can lead us closer to a very good close rate or convert rate. Now, I've talked about tools. Here you can see the tools are right here. We've got mainly 3 of them. This I've added by mistake. I can just Okay, here we go. So we've got get pit stop knowledge, schedule an appointment on Google Calendar, and check calendar availability. So, all of those, let me dive into detail now. Let's cancel this, get back to the main page. We can go into here and tools, and here we're gonna see all of our tools. Let's go into, first of all, get pit stop knowledge. In this tool, as I said, it gets user input, so that the user input is the message that the agent receives, right, from the Instagram. Then it looks for knowledge, from the knowledge I've given it with all the context, by search type keyword and by search type vector. I don't really have the time to tell you exactly what the difference between those two is. What you can memorize is keyword basically looks for similar words. Vector searches for similar meaning. There's a bunch of very complicated math behind it, but I won't get into it here. So in this way, we get the most detailed description of the pit stop business and everything around it, so the AI can actually answer correctly. Okay, let us dive into another tool. Check calendar availability. Here, we've got two variables the agent is going to input: search from time and search to time. And here I've configured it so that, let's say we're searching for if there is an available slot from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. on the 20th of February. So here, the search from time, as you can read right here, will be on midnight, just the beginning of the 20th of February. And here we're gonna get till beginning of next day. So here, midnight of the next day. That way we get a view of the entire day and where are the available slots and what slots are already taken. And here is the actual function where we just input two variables and we get the actual result. So every single appointment, every single booking that's on a Google Calendar at that time. Now, third most important is of course schedule appointment on Google Calendar. So here we've got a bit more. So the agent is gonna get this function and it's gonna put in the title, the user's email, user Instagram handle, description, start date and time, and end date and time. Here, of course, it's gonna be inputted into those fields right here. And then the AI is going to take the date and description, create a personalized email for the person who just booked a appointment, and then is going to send an email with the generated answer right here. So there we go. That's the broken down of it all. Now, let's see actual results. Let's test it live. So, let me go to Instagram right here. Okay, this is previous conversation I've had testing it. Now, I've removed the context of the previous conversations. We can get a new conversation going. So, let's just type in hello. Okay, and it responded, hello, are you interested in getting your car detailed today? Let's say yes. Okay. Could you please tell me the brand and model of the car? So let's say BMW 7. Here we go. So let me know what you're looking for exactly. Let's say I'm just looking for a maintenance wash. Italian keyboard. Okay, so the price is $149. Are you looking to do it right away or after some time? I'd say let's do it on Sunday on 4 p.m. There you go. Sunday, 4 p.m. is available. Let me know your address for the service. So let's say I live at 123 Live Testing Street, because we're doing a light test right here. Alright, So it asks for an email address. Let me give mine, and you're gonna see the magic happen. And there you go. It just confirmed my appointment at 4 p.m. on Sunday, 23rd of February. So let me check my emails and see if I've got a new one. And here we go. We've got, just now, 1 minute ago, an invitation from the unknown sender. And here is the confirmation email made by AI. And here is the actual event. So here you can see, for example, in the description, maintenance wash and vacuum for BMW sedan at the address, price $139, and this is my Instagram handle. Maintenance wash for BMW sedan. And that's all of it. So, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below. And of course, if you have the same issues, if you're looking for this kind of solution to simplify your life and simplify your sales process as a business, what you can do is simply go to the description of this video. There's going to be our website right there. You can click on that. You can schedule a call with us. You can speak directly about your needs and what we can do for you. That being said, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And we'll see each other in the next video.